walked in like the morning rain, soft enough to wash the silence away. I never knew a heart could change until you whispered my name. Every little look you gave turned ordinary into grace. Now every road feels new as long as I'm with you.
Stay right here, don't say a word. Love speaks louder when it's unheard. Only us, only now. Nothing else can bring me down. Only us, you and I. Every kiss feels like flying. Only us, only us, only us.
You turn quiet into color, you turn hope into a home. Even in the smallest moments, I've never felt alone. Every laugh becomes a memory, every touch becomes a song. Somewhere in your arms, I've known it all along.
If the whole world fades away, I'll still choose you every day. Some kinds of love never grow old, they only grow deeper.